guys, Trey received this smart solar car diffuser for reviewing purposes, and it's really nice because it's a ultrasonic atomizer. It has 3 adjustable concentrations. It automatically turns on and off, and it charges with the sun. Okay, so you can just leave it in there in your car, it will charge automatically. Okay, it comes with all the instruction manuals, some double-sided tape to put it in your car, a charging cable if you want to charge it for any reason. Okay, some extra cottons for the diffuse. We've got 2 cents. This is a first one, it's a 10mm one, and here we got the this is a cocoa seed heart. The other one was like a romantic style. Okay, and let's see what comes in the main unit. Okay, this it also has a part so you can just place it in, and this is it. Okay, you take it out, you select which one you want to use and just place it. Okay, I'm gonna read the instructions to see how it works perfectly and don't screw it up. Okay, so we're gonna take this one, this cocoa sweetheart, unscrew this part, take one of the springs with the cotton, place it in here like this. Okay, then we're gonna place it in here like this and back like this. Okay, as you can see, it has like these LEDs that recognize the voice. Okay, I'm gonna leave it in here a bit so I can still read the instructions. Okay, you can select different lights with this button. Okay, as you can see, you can select how it will be moving. You can set it to one side or the other one. Okay, and the rest you can just place it in your dashboard wherever you need it, and it will be taking the aroma that you selected and spraying it on in different intervals of time, and it will be charging with the sun, which is really nice. Okay, so it's easy to use, really easy to take with you. It charges with the sun. You can charge it also with the USB Type-C cable. It's really nice, so really recommend it. So yeah,
if you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.